everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Elaine. I designed these brand new summer themed sticker sheets and a matching printable for my July bullet journal. These designs are some pretty summer outfits with relaxing botanical leaves and flowers. Do you feel the summer vibes? I also created a matching set of many monthly headers and the days of the week printable stickers. These are functional stickers that are easy to use. Now let's get started. First, I'm creating my July daily reviews and the gratitude log pages. I'm drawing a big circle in the center of these two pages, then drawing some leaves in the center of the circle. I'm using the Micron Fine Liner pen to draw lines to divide each day. I'm making the left page my gratitude log and the right page my daily reviews page. Actually, deciding on how to divide the page into 31 spaces for each day of the month was such a headache for me. I also spent so much time fixing the wrong lines that I drew. Therefore, I probably won't make this kind of spread very often in the future. However, I think this design is very fun to look at. What do you think? Now I'm drawing some more leaves to fill the space in the center circle. Do you like botanical drawings? Please leave your comments down below. I really appreciate your feedback on my videos and the channel. Please show some love and like this video. And also subscribe to my channel if you find these videos useful. I'm really grateful for your support. It means the world to me. I'm putting my daily reviews sticker and the gratitude header from my printable in the center. Then drawing drop shadows for the title stickers. I'm coloring the whole circle using a sky blue brush pen. Then writing the days 1 to 31 for this month. I'm using a baby pink brush pen for the right page and a sky blue brush pen for the left page. Lastly, I'm coloring the Sundays sky blue and baby pink so it will be much easier to see where every week starts. I actually used darker colors to write the dates again after I filmed the video because the pastel colors are too light, making it hard to see. That's all for this page design. Next is my July idea page setup. First, I'm drawing 6 boxes in different sizes. I'm using sky blue, baby pink, and the pastel green brush pens to draw some frame lines around the boxes and decorative lines around the whole pages. Drawing some different style and different color leaves on the bottom of these 2 pages. Then drawing some drop shadows for the boxes. Lastly, I'm using my month headers printable to stick each header on the top of each box. It's so fast to set out my bullet journal pages using these header stickers. How do you like it? That's all for this video. I hope you like this setup and will try using it in your own planners or journals. Stay tuned for my next video on my July weekly layout page setup. Don't forget to check out the summer themed printable and the matching sticker sheets. The link is down below. I hope you will enjoy using them. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye!